Ni hao, welcome to Basic Chinese Lesson 46. But before we start, let's review first what we learned from last lesson. We have 颁奖、校长、丑、好看、享受、无聊、麦当劳、肯德基。If you guys have any questions, you can watch lesson 45 and also the conversation videos again. In the first slide, we have 钟明,钟明,钟明. 啥,啥,啥. The meaning of 钟明 is clever and the meaning of 傻 is stupid. So 钟明 is clever and 傻 is stupid. Once again, 钟明 is clever, 傻 is stupid. Let's read together. 钟明,钟明,钟明. 傻,傻,傻. And let's move on to the next slide. 害羞,害羞,害羞. 呕吐,呕吐,呕吐. And the meaning of 害羞 is shy. The meaning of 呕吐 is to vomit. So 害羞 is shy and 呕吐 is to vomit. "害羞 is shy and 呕吐 is to vomit. And let's read together, guys. 害羞,害羞,害羞. 呕吐,呕吐,呕吐. Another vocabs here. 停,停,停. 继续,继续,继续. 停 is stop and 继续 is continue. So 停 is stop and 继续 is continue. Once again, 停 is stop and 继续 is continue. Let's read together. 停,停,停. 继续,继续,继续. We also have another vocabs here, guys. 浪漫,浪漫,浪漫. 可怕,可怕,可怕. 浪漫 is romantic and 可怕 is scary. So 浪漫 is romantic and 可怕 is scary. Once again, 浪漫 is romantic and 可怕 is scary. Let's read together. 浪漫,浪漫,浪漫. 可怕,可怕,可怕. And that's all, guys, for today's lesson. Don't forget to review the vocabs that we have learned today. Thanks a lot for your time. I will see you guys again in our next lesson.